How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel for a new video. We are working on the Golf today, as we do every Wednesday. I feel like I say the same thing every single video, because I probably do. But we are going to be working on the engine bay of the Golf. We are basically going to be doing some cleanup work. I got another set of little small modifications. One of them is the battery cover. I haven't shown a video on this, but we're gonna show this in the video today. We've also got a few other little tidbits we're gonna throw in. Nothing huge, stuff that's cheap and stuff you can use to make your engine bay just look a little bit different from the rest of everyone at the car meet, wherever you're going with your car. If you pop your hood, I'm not the type of person that likes to pop my hood, but if you guys are, these things will set you apart just that much more. So all the parts that I got recently were ordered from ECS Tuning, and I'm sure you can get them other places as well. So we've got a few things. One of them is the Skoda it's the Skoda wiper fluid washer funnel / cap. So it's this little rubber cap, and you can fold it up and it snaps shut just like that, and it's your washer fluid reservoir cap. And when you need to open it, can't really do this with one hand, but it pops open, and it's the perfect little funnel to put your windshield wiper fluid in. Because if you're like me, you don't have a funnel just ready to go when you're getting washer fluid at the auto parts store, and you try to do it and you spill it all over the place. And in the Golf, every time I spill it, it goes right into the intake tray, and it's just kind of annoying. It stains your car, it's stupid. This is gonna solve that. So we have this. And we've also got a fuse box cover that covers the ECU. This is just a really simple stick-on kind of thing. It's nice and glossy black. It's a little textured, and this will cover up our fuse panel and the ECU just to clean things up just that much more. And finally, our last thing is, if you have an intake on the InGen intake like I have, it's not super needed, but I ordered this before I kind of realized what mine looked like. This is a coolant reroute hose. It makes it go under your intake box, or whichever intake you have. It goes underneath and back into the block from your radiator. So this is a nice little thing to clean up your engine bay. It gets rid of a hose that goes over the top of your intake. On mine, you'll kind of see, actually I'll just go show you. So you can see the coolant hose right here plugs in to your radiator, up, over, and into your engine block. So I have the stock little front cover for the intake. If you had like an aftermarket one, it wouldn't have this, and it would just sit right over the top of your intake. And I'm not super keen on the hose being right here. It looks clean right here and it's fine, but we're gonna change it out. So what it's gonna do is it's gonna go underneath my intake box, up and into the block right here. So we're still gonna have these little barbs, which I might cut them off. It looks like it's gonna be kind of hard to cut off, but I might just try to do it anyways, because I've already bought the hose and I wanna show you guys this, modification, I guess, but that's what it's for. So we're gonna be cleaning up this, and this, and that. And just for the video's purpose, this is coming off for now, so I can show you guys, and then of course it's stuck. There we go. So this is what we're working with right now. Before and after will come at the very end. So here's our 4 parts that we are installing today. We've got the washer fluid reservoir cap, the fuse box ECU cover, coolant reroute kit, and the plastic battery cover. So I'm not gonna show you guys in the video, but I'm gonna get everything apart, ready to go for all of our modifications, and then we'll just get started on this video. Thanks so much for watching. If you are new to the channel, be sure you go down below and hit that subscribe button and join the channel. Catch up on the GTI videos, catch up on the Miata videos. If you're just in the cars in general, this is what this channel is all about. So if you are new and this is the first video you're seeing, go down below, hit that subscribe button. Let's get into it.
Christmas.
here is the after. We've got our intake back on. So we did the coolant reroute hose, the washer fluid funnel cap, the fuse cover with the ECU cover. Really like the way this looks. So it covers up this little portion of the ECU right here. And then our battery cover, which just looks way cleaner than the fabric that they put around it. Mine was all nasty and pretty much done for, so this is a really nice solution for that. Nice solution for the fuse box. And here it is. So it just cleans up this little corner of the engine bay really nicely. We need to refill our washer fluid. We just pop this up, boom, pour it right in. It'll funnel in, no problems. And we can just pop it right back down. No issues there. So really happy with how this looks. And as I said, we've got the little hooks here. I don't have an extension cable or else I'd just Dremel these off. It should be just a cut here, and cut there as well. But our coolant reroute goes underneath our intake now and right down there. A little bit cleaner. It just looks nicer than stock. So you're doing these modifications, you always want to add a little extra something, and these little pieces do just that. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you got some inspiration to get out there in the garage and work on your Mk7 GTI. And yeah, so I've got some big plans coming up for the GTI. I've been just kind of stocking away some extra cash. I've been selling some little parts here and there, and hoping to start looking for a new set of wheels. The Austins are cool and everything, but I think it's time. It's, you know, everything else about this car is modified in some way, and I think it's just time for the wheels to be included in that sort of thing. And sorry this video is a little late. I've been working a lot, having to work on the same days that I usually post videos to get these out to you guys, so sorry it's a little late. But if you are new to the channel, be sure you go down below, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments below. I'll see you in the next one.